Today we are going to do the activity related to subject biology. Its aim is preparation of the stain temporary mount of onion peel, record its observation and draw its label diagram. Material required for this activity is onion, cover slip, blank slide, watch glass, dropper, forceps, glycerine, stained saffronin, water. We need a blotting paper and we need a compound microscope to check the slide which we have prepared. Let's discuss some theory related to this activity. As we all know that every organism is made up of cell, and if we are talking about the onion is a plant. So today we will see a plant cell. Plant cell has its outer covering, that is the cell wall, and as you know, every eukaryotic cell have the nucleus present within it, as well as it have different cell organelles such as Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and the one basic thing which is most prominent in the plant cell is the vacuole. Every plant cell have a large central vacuole. Now let's start the activity. As I told you that for this activity we need an onion, and we will remove the inner epidermal peel of the onion. As we know that onions are leaf, so we will remove this inner epidermal peel. Put the removed epidermal peel in the water and prevent the overlapping of the peel. Now transfer this peel on a plain slide . Now add the stain saffronin on this removed epidermal peel to stain the onion peel. As the onion peel is transparent, keep it for 2 minutes. As I have kept this peel for the staining and I have kept it undisturbed for the 2 minutes, now I will transfer this to the water to remove the extra stain. Now take a second clean slide and add 2 drops of glycerine over it. Now transfer this peel over the glycerine and cover this specimen, this peel, with a cover slip. Putting this cover slip should be a perfect task, as we have to press the peel as well as we have to remove the extra glycerine which will come out from this cover slip. We know that glycerine is hygroscopic, which maintains the water concentration and keeps our temporary slide in a good condition for 1 to 2 days. That's why we use the glycerine. And now we have prepared a temporary slide. I have cleaned it with a blotting paper, the extra stain as well as the glycerine to make it clean. Now we will see it under a compound microscope. This is a compound microscope. Keep this temporary slide on the stage. This is the stage of the compound microscope. We have 2 lenses. First one is this one, this is the eyepiece, and second one is here. Then we have 2 adjustments. This upper one is the coarse adjustment and the lower one is the fine adjustment. To check our slide, we will adjust firstly the coarse adjustment. After adjusting the core adjustment, you have to change the fine adjustment, and we will get the clear view as this. After performing the experiment, you will get this type of structure which is showing the different cells, and you can see all these cells are rectangular in shape. And you can see dot-like structure in the cells. These dot-like structures are the nucleus, as the nucleus are darkly stained and the cytoplasm are lightly stained. And one more thing which you can see in every cell, that nucleus is at the periphery. Why nucleus is at a periphery? Because the nucleus is present in the cytoplasm, and the central vacuole of every cell put the cytoplasm at the periphery. Due to that, this nucleus also moves at the periphery. Let's conclude this activity. As we have studied to make the temporary mount of onion peel, and you have seen that cells are made up of the outer covering, cell wall, and the nucleus and the central vacuole. I hope you have learned the procedure for this activity. Thank you and have a nice day.